With all this time home for the coronavirus lockdown, I ran across this book on my bookshelf that I haven't looked at in years, and what it is a comprehensive plan for national health care in the United States that was prepared in 1993. So the President's Report to the American People on Health Security. So that was a plan that was proposed and considered by this guy, Bill Clinton. And you can see that the plan had a lot of elements to address issues that would be very familiar to Americans today. 27 years later, with the COVID crisis unfolding, rising insecurity, growing complexity, rising costs, decreasing quality, all these things. So there's the whole how the new system works, the security. There's a special sort of arrangement for small businesses and the discounts that they get because they recognize how difficult this could be for them. So all these things, simplifying the red tape and the bureaucracy, which is a massive part of U.S. healthcare. So why didn't we get this? What happened? Well, this plan, the person that was overseeing the writing of this plan was Hillary Clinton. So 27 years ago, Hillary Clinton was trying to promote a comprehensive national health care plan for the U.S. Once this was rolled out, it was immediately torpedoed by the right wing as some sort of attack on the power grab, I should say, that would victimize the American people. So you have to ask yourself, what happened between back then and now? Well, once this plan was torpedoed by the right wing, and it was very systematically done so, the entire sort of focus of the Clinton presidency in terms of economics shifted decidedly to the right. And it never looked back. So they dismantled welfare, and so the right continued to set the economic agenda in the U.S. Over the years of Clinton, and you could say arguably even when Barack Obama became president. So it's something to consider in the year 2020 when we look at the election and we look at who could potentially become a Democratic president, to say, well, how was it possible that we were talking about national health care 27 years ago and it got completely pushed off of the agenda? It's possible because the political reality on the ground was changed and was altered by a very determined effort on the right. And that should be a lesson that is taken into and ingested by Americans of the center left who want a better country, and they have to change the political reality on the ground. This also means that if the public is demanding something as comprehensive as this, it would be hard even for a moderate like Joe Biden to resist it. Recall that in the early 70s, the Environmental Protection Agency was created by Richard Nixon,